Konnichiwa guys, video game Brawlers here, PSN here. Today I got a package delivery on eBay. It's cool. Japanese version, Bakugan. Okay, let's go open up here. Inside, here. The package delivery here. There's just the cards in here. Oh, what the? What? What is that? Oh my gosh, that's a Korea Bakugan card version. What? Oh, Billy cards is Viper Helios. Obit Helios. Spitting dangerous order. Japanese Bakugan from Bakugan Bakutech. It is Korea version. Cool. First time. So here's a English Bakugan card. Comes with the Japanese card version, and it's Korea version. It's like a different card size. It's cool. Yeah. Alright. Here comes the Haos Mega Brontes. Mega Brontes. Here you go. Oh, what's that? Open. Alright. Wow. Ooh, Haos Mega Brontes. Okay, here's a Haos Mega Brontes here. There's MG here. Japanese version is cool. That's a Volts one. Cool. Software is cool. Amazing. Haos Mega Brontes. That's Volts 1. Haos is 2. Alright, Haos Mega Brontes is ready to roll. Ready? Whoa! So here's a head, 2 arms, holes here, 2 legs here. That's cool. There's 340 Gs. Cool. Okay, so there's a different Mega Brontes. What? Head, let's go on. Here, Mega Brontes one. Looks exactly the same. It's his head, 2 arms here. It's the same. So here, the back is here. That's cool. There comes there's English version magnet here. There's MG Japanese versions. Cool. That's awesome. Cool. Chaos Mega Brontes here. Okay. So here's our evolutions of Brontes. It's like a different size. This is a Mega Brontes here. Ultra Brontes and Brontes is it. Bakugan Defense of the Core. And DS version, Japanese version, DS game. Bakugan Defense of the Core. English is Bakugan New Vestroia. And the Ghost is one for evolution. So the Bakugan New Vestroia. It's cool. Amazing. Haos Mega Brontes. It's cool. Amazing. Okay. So here's the Japanese version and Korea version. Exactly different sizes. This is the same card. This is a different language. It's a Japanese and Korea's one. Oh, it's cool. That's a cool. Amazing. So this is a Haos Mega Brontes Japanese version from Bakugan New Vestroia and Bakugan Defenders of the Core DS Japanese versions. Cool. Awesome. Alright guys. Thank you guys for watching. Click it to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click it to the bell. Click it to the click it to the Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, TikTok here. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye. And Bakugan 知道